So now let's see how we can create shortcuts to files inside of Google Drive. So over here, over time, you might have a lot of files in Google Drive. So it is quite easy to make shortcuts for them so that you have all of them in one place. So for example, right here, there's a file. You can simply right click and then go over here and click on add shortcut to drive. So what this does is that it opens up your drive right over here. So you want to add a shortcut to this file somewhere else. So in my case, I'm just going to add it in root. You can see that in my drive, there's a shortcut to the drive right here. And if I were to double click on this, what happens is that it opens up the file inside this folder right here. So let's go to the automatic convert right here. Let's go to this test file. So you can simply click on add shortcut to drive. Let's say you want to add in a shortcut to this inside the tutorial folder. The main file is located right here. Thus the shortcut is added on inside the tutorial folder just like this. And once you open it out, it accesses the files from the other folder just like that. And that is how you can create shortcuts inside of Google Drive so that you can have shortcuts to them in multiple places for easier access. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.